What's up, everybody? We're going to open up another base set pack this morning, see what we can get out of it. Alright, throw that over there because we don't need it. There's that code card for anyone who desires to have that online code. 2, 3, 4 is the magic number. We are going to go with lightning today. Oh, psychic it is. We have, what do we have? Quillfish, Energy Switch, Dottler, Shelder, Mawile, Ponyta, Sobble, Maractus, Reverse Holographic Inteleon, nice, and a Graplocked. Alright guys, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow for more. See you next time.